Kamadali. 5, 2 points. Two points. Ibaw pa rin. Easy 2 points. Yes, 2 points. Easy 2 points.
Mga boss, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo sa May Bunga Covered Court at mapapanood natin ang laban ng Liga ng May Bunga 2026 at ang maglalaban ang Morning Boys versus Hampton. Mga boss, pakisubscribe naman po ng YouTube channel kong Boss Alam Vlogs. Yung mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Follow niyo po siya at subscribe.
Salamat po.
Hey.
Start of the ball game. Hampton versus Morning Boys.
Number 9, Arroyo. To number 0. To number 7. Grabe din ang tawag na ref. To number 24. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. To number 8. Jump shot. Yes, 2 points. To number 4. Jumps. No good. Rebound by number 5. To number 8. To number 9. To number 0. Marcelino. Pass to number 14. To number 0. Step back. Yes. 2 points by number 0. Jump shot. Yes. 2 points by number 4. Number 9. For 3. No good. And there's a foul. 9.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 19 seconds. Score 4-2 in favor of Morning Boys.
Save ball. Steal. To number 4. Number 4, nagmamadali. Kinaliwa pa. And there's a foul. Committed by number 1. First shot. No good. Second shot. No good again. Rebound by number. Number 9. Number 9, number 14. For 3. No good. Rebound by number. Kamadali. Number 5. 2 points.
Bilis. Bata.
Official score, all 4. Number 9. To number 6. To 97. Ang lakas. Seconds left. The end of the first quarter. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 97. Jump shot again. 2 points. Number 31. Backhorn violation. To number 9. To number 97. 97. Pinasa. To number 0. Pinasa sa gilid. No good. Rebound. To number 31. Pinasa kay number 4. Number 4. No good. Rebound by number 5. For 3. No good. Rebound pa rin. Easy 2 points. Official score all 6 to number 9. To number 47. No good. Bawat ulit. Number 4. Number 4 takes. Oops, no good. Rebound by number 21. Grabe rin ang violation. Official score all 6. Last 5 minutes and 40 seconds left. No good. Yes, 2 points.
Ayun na oh.
No good. To number 0, Marcelino. Pinasa sa gilid. To number 8. No good. Rebound. To number 14. Easy 2 points. To number 14. To number 4. Number 4. Jump. No good. To number 9, Arroyo. Official score 10-6 in favor of Torring Boys. For 3 points by number 40. Number 4 to number 31 to number 9 for 3. No good for them. Rebound down. Number 0. Number 0. Fakes. And that's the foul. Basket. Committed by number 5. Body shot. Yes. Sabret. Last 4 minutes and 16 seconds left.
May babae dun oh, kasama niya.
Number 11. To number 68. Nawala ang bola. Pass break. To number 11. Sabucho. To number 14. Makes a 3. No good. Rebound. To number 8 for 3. Wala pa rin. Sabucho. Easy 2 points by Sabucho. To number 36. Wala pa rin. Tumira. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number. Nice pass. Easy 2 points. By number. To number 9, Arroyo. 15 second shot clock. To number 46, Hule. Save ball. 88. Drop pass, 2 points by number 46. To number 11. To number 0. Double team. 10 second shot clock. Steal. By number 18. Number 18. Drop pass to number 11. 2 points by number 11. Official score 22-8. Last 2 minutes tayo. Lagaw. To number 9. Number 9. To number 8. To number 10. To number 13. Rebound. Wala ka rin. Rebound by number 11 to number 9. Take time, 10 seconds shot clock. To number 13. Jump, go good again. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds left. To the ball, easy 2 points. Official score 22-10. To number 9. To number 49. And there's the foul. So, second shot, yes. Official score 24-10. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds left. To number 11. Drop pass. Nakagaw. Wala pa rin. To number 9. Number 9. Pinaliwa. Wala. Akina. Wala pa rin. And there's a foul. Committed by number 11. 24-10 ang ating score. Last 45 seconds left. Second shot clock. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 46. To number 11, Sabujo. Sabujo. Yes, 2 points by number 11, Sabujo. Last 20 seconds left. 15 seconds left. Number 11. Speed. Save ball. Number 32. To make. Jump. No good. Rebound pa rin. Yes, 2 points for number 32.
End of first quarter. Score 26-10 in favor of Morning Boys.
Back to the ball game.
Start of second quarter.
Number 4. For 3. No good. To number 8. Number 8. To number 11. Back to number 11. Pinalik again. To number 11. For 3. By number 11. Abugor, umigot. No good. Save ball. For 3. Points. By number 36. For 3. 4. First shot. Yes. Official score 33-15. Last 8 minutes and 40 seconds left. To number 4. To number 32. For 3. No good. Rebound. To number 8. Number 8. Napasa. Steal by number 55. To number 18. No good. For 3. Points by number 55. Pavilion. Number 4 for 3. No good. To number 11. Setting the ball. Number 11. For 3. By number 11. Number 30. Number 30. Trapas to number 4. 3 points. Official score 39-18. Last 7 minutes and 20 seconds left. 15 seconds shot clock. To number 55. No good. Steve.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 39-18 in favor of Morning Boys.
Number 4. We got 2 points. And number 32. To number 9. To number 0, Marcelino, 14 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 0, Marcelino, jump. No good. Rebound by number. To number 4. Number 4. Yes, 2 points by number 4. And the lead, ang husay. To Marcelino. To number 18. No good. Rebound by number 30. To number 4, fake. Number 4. And there's a foul. Number 30. Number 30. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 setting the play. To number 47 and 2 points. Official score 42-22. Last 4 minutes and 40 seconds left. Number 4. And there's a foul. First shot is in. Official score 42-23. Second shot. Yes. Official score 42-24. Last 4 minutes and 35 seconds left. To number 9. Number 9. To number. Huli. Nakuha. Ang number 5. To number 4. Pass break to number 30. Number 30. To number 4. Number 4. Pumps. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9. Arroyo. And there's a foul to basket. Going by number 5. Pushing foul. Yes. 45-24. Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds left. To number 4. And there's a foul. Number 4. Take time. 4-3. Pasa pala yun. No good. Rebound. And number 28. 2 points. To number 9. Number 9, 4-3. No good. Number 4, pump. Yes. Time out. Morning Boys. Official score 45-20.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Score 45-28 in favor of Morning Boys.
28. To number 9. To number 0, Marcelino. To number 9, setting the play. To number 13. And there's a foul. Basket. Ball shot, no good. Number 4. Number 4, crossover, step back 3, no good. Number 0. To number 6. Yes, 2 points. The number 8-7. Number 4. And there's a foul. Sabrep. To the end of the first half. To number 9. Number 0. To number 48. To number 0. Oh, sabi ba, there's a foul. Yes. Warning for penalty. No good on second shot. Rebound by number 5. Number 5. Number 5. No good. Rebound to number 9.
Gigil.
Number 9 taking the play. 2 points by number 7. Number 30 to number 4, setting the play. Number 4, for 3. No good. Rebound by number. Pasok na yun to number 5. Jump. No good pa rin. Last 1 minute and 38 seconds left. 52-30 ang ating score. Number 9, setting the play. Save ball. To number 0. Marcelino. Huli. Nakuha na number 4. To number 30. Number 30. And there's a foul. Basket. Committed by number 46. Bonus shot. Yes. Official score 52-33. Last 1 minute and 6 seconds left. Number 9. Number 9 setting the play. To number 9, Sabujo for 3. No good. To number 5, take. To number 4. Number 4. Grabe, violation. Number 9. To number 49. No good. Rebound. To number 30. 2 points. 24 seconds left. 20 seconds left. And there's a foul. Last 15 seconds left. Pasok ang siya. Pasok na rin. Last 15 seconds left. 54-35. Number 4. 5 seconds left. Number 4. For 3. Elbow.
End of second quarter. Score 54-35 in favor of Morning Boys. Third quarter.
Start of the third quarter. Number 9. Setting the play. 10 seconds to shoot. 97. Huli. Same ball. 6 seconds to shoot. Pasa pala yun. So, nawalan. Number 4. Leave the ball. To number 9. For 3. No good. To number 97. To number 87. To number 11. Number 11. Sabujo. No good. Number 4. Easy 2 points by number 4. Official score 54-37. Last 8 minutes with 45 seconds left. To number 87, save ball. Shoot. Number 11, 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 12. Wala pa rin. Nakuha na number 4. Number 4. Kinalawa. No good. Nice fake. Jump to 2 points. And number 70. Number 20. 56-37. To number 32. No good pa din. Rebound by number 9. 20 seconds to shoot. Number 11, Samudio. To number 87. Number 87, Ubingon. 6 seconds to shoot. Number 9. Pidasa. Wala pa rin. Kagaw. And there's a foul. Seconds left. Number 11 to number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 32. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 32. Sinira. No good. Rebound pa rin. No good pa rin. Pass break. Save. To number 11. Tira. No good. Number 11. Number 11 to number 9, Samudio. Nabitawan. Nakuha ng number 4. Oh, there's a foul. Pasok.
Sakit ng tiyan ko.
Pasok. Plus ball possession ng Hampton. Official score 56-39 last 5 minutes and 55 seconds left. Number 11 ang mamadali. Save ball. To number 31. To number 4. Number 4. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds left. Number 8. Jump. No good. To number. Yes, 2 points by number 7. 2 points by number 97. Number 4. Number 4. No good. Rebound by number 18. To number 0, Marcelino. Setting the play. To number 97. Pinasa. Nawalan. Agaw ang bola. Agaw ang bola. Number 11. To number 4. Number 4. 1-by-1. 1v1. No good. To number 11. To number 0. Marcelino. Ang ganda naman ng pass na doon.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Score 60-39 in favor of Morning Boys. Kala niya, kalala niya. Dito ko lang na.
To number 11, setting the play. To number 8, number 11, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, to number 8 for 3. 3 points by number 8. Official score 60-42. Steal by number 11. And there's a foul. Committed by number 11. Blocking foul. 13 foul ang Morning Boys. To number 30. And there's a foul penalty ang Morning Boys. steal. Pero nakuha yung kapit. No good. Rebound by number 30. There's a foul. Masuk. Last 3 minutes and 35 seconds left. Official score 60-44. Number 8. Pass. No good. Rebound. And there's a foul. No good pa din. Rebound by number 11. Setting the play. Number 11, 15 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul. First shot, no good. Second shot, no good again. Rebound by number 97. To number 0, Marcelino. Setting the play. To number 8, 15 seconds to shoot. To number 0, Marcelino, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 8, jump, no good. 5 seconds to shoot, no good pa din.
Ingat sa ball, kaya na tayo!
Number 11, setting the play. Cubate, Pinasa, nawala. Nakuha ni Sabujo. To number 97, rebound. By number 0. And there's number 97 to number 0. For 3, no good. To number 11. Ang ganda naman ng pasa. Kinaliwaman, no good pa din. Iba by number 11. To number 0. To number 8. Number 8. To number 97. No good. Last 1 minute and 50 seconds left. Number 32, Ubigot. Yes, 2 points by number 32. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds left. Number 8. Number 0, 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11, for 3. No good. Not rebound. Number 30. Number 30. And there's a foul. Holding by number 11. Basket.
Remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds. Score 61-48 in favor of Morning Boys.
No good. To number 0, Marcelino crossover. Hand football, last 1 minute and 2 seconds left. Official score 61-48. To number 32, rebound by number. Oh, yeah, there's a foul. First shot, no shot. Yes. 62-48, last 40 seconds left to the end of the third quarter. To number 30, to number 32. Probably the violation. Number 0, Marcelino. To number 8, to number 0 again. Marcelino, jump, 2 points. 18 seconds left. Number 4, setting the play. 10 seconds left. To number 30, umatake. Yes, 2 points. To number 8.
Third quarter.
64-50 in favor of Morning
Score
Boys.
64-50 in favor of Morning Boys. Fourth quarter.
Back to the ball game. Official score 64. 50. Ball move. To number 9. For 3. No good. Number 89. For 3 points. By number 28. Official score 64-53. Number 9. To number Steve. Nakagawan. Tumukay ulit ng 3. Wala naman. Nakagawan, number 9. Ano yun? Nagkamadali. No good. Wala ka din. Nakagaw. Number 5. Step up. Boy. Last. Number 9. Setting the play. To number 55. 10 seconds to shoot. There's a foul. Number 4. First team foul. Steve. Play number 4. Number 4. Nagmamadali. 2 points. Warning. Number 30. Number 9. Number 9. Setting the play. To number 17. To number 9. To number 14 for 3. By number 17. Number 14. Official score 67-55. Bumawi. 3 points by number 21. Official score 67-58. 14. No good. Number 4 setting the play. To number 31. To number 30. No good.
Dead ball, boss.
Number 9, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11. To number 14. To number. No good. Ang lakas. Number 9. To number 14. Fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4 3. No good. Rebound by number 14. No good pa din. Number 31. 4 3. No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 0. Marcelino. Marcelino. Marcelino kinaliwa. Wala. Nagawa. Steve by number 9. Number 9 to Marcelino. Marcelino. Huli. Huli na pa din. Pinasa. By number 97. Wala pa din. Number 4. Go to. Offensive foul. Back to the ball game. Official score 67-58. Last 4 minutes left.
naging threat na nga kami.
Number 9.
Oh?
To number 11 for 3. No good. A rebound. To number 4. Nagmamadali. Number 4. Wala pa din. Nakakaw. To number 8. To number 4. To number 30. 2 points.
Ito na lang.
Official score 67-60. Dito na lang ang kalamangan ng Morning Boys. 10 seconds to shoot. To number 9. 5 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul. Official score 67-60. Number 4. To number 30. To number 32. 2 points. 62-67.
5 na lang.
Last 3 minutes.
Hoy, dalawa.
Number 9. To number 14. No good. To number 32. 67-62 ang ating score. Last 2 minutes and 38 seconds left. Number 9. To number 9, 15 seconds to shoot. Marcelino. Marcelino. Sulaksak. Pasa. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 18. No good pa rin. Rebound. Wala pa din. Pass break. For 3.
Dalawa na lang.
Number 30. Last 2 minutes.
Mabiling.
Ay, 65, 67. First shot is hit. No good, rebound by number 97.
Go, go, go! Ready yan, ready yan! Good yan! Good yan, good yan, good yan! Go!
Okay, back to the ball game. Number 4, Didi Scarpe. Number 4, Didi Scarpe. Ang wala ang bola. Nakuha na number 0. Number 0, babatali. Number 5. Yes, 2 points by number 40. To the end of the fourth quarter. Number 4. To number 30. To number 32. Number 32. 5 seconds to shoot. Yes, 2 points.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 9 seconds. Score, 70-67.
67.
3 points na lang ang kalamangan ng Morning Boys.
Back to the ball game. Pasino with the ball to Arroyo. Arroyo. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 0, Marcelino. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points by Marcelino. 50 seconds left. To number 11. For 3. No good. Rebound by number. Nakakaba ang number 0. Marcelino. Marcelino steal. Kay number 4. To number 30. To number 4. For 3. No good. Last 20 seconds left. Marcelino. And there's a foul.
Abit! Abit! Abit!
And there's a foul. Committed.
Anong tanong ah? Bawal ba? Ayun, tayo ng tuyaw. Yung sa number 4. Abit! Abit!
10 seconds left. And there's a foul committed by number.
Mahalo naman pala eh.
73-67. Pasok na rin. Last 8 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Number 11. And there's a foul.
Kabila! Oy! Oy!
First shot. Yes! Go good. Nice game.
End of the ball game. Final score, 75-60. Winner, Morning Boys. Mga boss, hanggang dito na lang ang aking vlogs at huwag niyong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel, Boss Alam Vlogs, at isama niyo na rin ang Agenos Vlog. At nagpapaalala sa inyo, bawal mamatay, mabuhay.